You guys, look how much I have to unbox still.
Hello guys, welcome back. So this haul is actually a little bit more exciting than I wanted, not necessarily in a positive way. I'll explain. There were a couple of items that I got all at the same time, so I wanted to do a haul for you. They all sort of went together, so I was really excited. It was going to be a haul where I unbox everything individually and then I style it for you. And it kind of took a turn for the worse this morning. I'll unbox the correct items and then we can discuss what went wrong. Before I get started, I do want to remind you that today, August 18th on a Friday, is the final day for my giveaway. I will be announcing the winner tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. If you want to enter last second, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment on my giveaway video. I will link that below. Also, for bonus entry, you can comment on any unique video of mine. So one comment per video gives you one bonus entry. First, I ordered some pieces from Saint Laurent. Again, we'll start with this beautiful box here. Take the beautiful bow off. And just keep in mind that you get this packaging even if you order online, right? It's so nice, and then you can repurpose it. Okay. So what do you think it is from the box? Maybe you were thinking shoes? Any giveaway here? Okay. Nice this bag for what it is. It is actually a Saint Laurent baseball cap. So as I am building my capsule closet now that I'm finally settled in Hawaii, I want like one good baseball cap. This definitely needs to be tightened, but I love it because I do have blue eyes. So I feel like the washed look kind of brings out my eyes. Yeah, it is a little baggy. What got me on this cap is honestly the print. I love the yellow, and I just love the font of the Saint Laurent. I only have one more cap in my possession as I am a minimalist, and this is sort of the washed denim, and then this was called washed. So I feel like this was just an upgrade. I'm going to try to sell this since it is Adidas, and if not, I will donate it to Maui. Okay, and remember this beautiful yellow, because that is what inspired the oopsie purchase, but we'll get to that later. The second Saint Laurent piece. So if you remember my original YSL unboxing, you will know that I am a fan of the YSL threaders. On their website, they have two lengths. They've always had the long and the short threader. The past two that I have purchased have been the long, so that is all that I have experience with. I wanted to see, you know, what was the short threader about. I ended up purchasing the short threader in silver. So you know that I have the one missing earring in gold, I have the rose gold, and now I have the short in silver. So I was super excited to have both of the threaders and all three metals technically. Yeah, they're very short, and I'm also going to do a video comparing the threaders and giving my review. So I'm going to kind of hold out on my opinion on them. The little YSL logos, it's the exact same as the long threader. And it's very, very short. These are a little different because the chain is actually mid-logo, because this part is meant to be a stud, which is different from the long threader, which I'll show you in my video. The next piece that I got is from Joe Brown, which is also what these, oh, actually this shirt and these pants are from, and I'm gonna do a Joe Brown lookbook. But they got me with their ads, again, like they always do on Instagram, which I think I follow them, so honestly maybe it wasn't an ad, I do it myself. A lot of their pieces are super cute, but if you go online, a lot of their pieces have the little skinny straps where I'm afraid they're gonna snap, or they have situations where you can't really wear a bra unless you're gonna wear a sticky, which like I just can't be bothered. And yeah, like sometimes I'll go without a bra, but it's just not the most comfortable, right? Just depending on where you're going, it's just like not always the vibe. I was happy when I saw this and I liked it, and it was something that you could wear a bra with, to be honest. It is just this cute little gray. It has the stitching up the side, so it looks very modern. I'm excited to try it on. No, when I saw it, I just had the cap and the threaders in mind, and I was like, this can make a cute outfit. So I just wanted to get it all together and style it. The reason why I clicked on this bag was A, the color I had never seen before. It looked like a pale yellow which I've been looking at micro Fendi peekaboos for years, never seen that color. Now onto the juicy scandalous part. First of all, I got this package yesterday, I believe. I had been waiting on it for a long time. The only yellow I had seen is that I had literally just made a video on my luxury regrets. So those were items that I had bought, not enjoyed, and sold. And then what did I do? I started looking up Fendi micro Fendi peekaboos. They're just so freaking cute, and I had mentioned, you know, they're a cute accessory and I would want one again. And they were just in my head, so I was looking them up. I found one on the Real Real. I have never used the Real Real before. This was my first experience. I go on the website. I will show you the pictures that I saw. School bus color yellow. And also the price. It was 40% off. It was originally like $875. They had it down to like, I don't know, $540. The pictures looked great. The condition was low, but again, I was looking at the pictures. They looked great. And I had that like, this is a little sketchy, this is a little too good to be true moment. And I still did it, and it was 40% off, so it said no refunds. But I was like, but the pictures look good, so I impulsively bought it. Like, I saw it, and I probably checked out within 5 minutes. I got the package yesterday. I just had this feeling in my gut that I was like, I need to look at it. Like, I don't need to wait till my next filming day. I want to just see it. So I did film my reaction because I just had a feeling. I feel like I knew. Good morning. I thought real long and hard if I was gonna get cute for you guys, but I need to do a lot of work from home and I don't really want makeup on my face all day. I do have an item that I want to just unbox and just see how it is, because the suspense is killing me, but I don't have time to film until tomorrow. I got this yesterday or maybe even the day before that, and it is just killing me because when I found it, I had never even seen it before, so I'm just kind of excited. It's sketched out. I don't know. I just want to see like what it is. I'll explain later. You'll understand. I wanted you to see my reaction because it can either be really exciting, like, oh my god, I found something that I didn't know existed, or it can be like, what is this? The angle is going to be weird because I want to like officially show you when I unbox everything. This is the box. It's this small. Okay, what if I told you there was a bag in here? And it's literally the bag. Like, I kid you not, I filmed my like purchases that I regret, and I've literally bought one of the things again. I like bought it and sold it. Literally posted the video. I did talk about how I did miss it. So I see the dust bag. It's so cute. Alright, the dust bag. Oh my god, oh. This is what I was afraid of. This did not look like the pictures at all. And it stinks. I'm just confused, and it said like no returns, which like I get that. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you because hopefully I don't have to keep it. Basically, I ordered a Fendi micro peekaboo. I'll show you what the listing looked like. It looked like a very pale yellow. I had never seen that before. I was like, wow, this is new. I immediately wanted it. The condition looked great. It was almost suspicious because it was like 40% off final sale, and I was just like, why would someone not want this bag? And me myself, like, having looked up micro Fendi peekaboos like for forever, I had never seen the pale yellow. I'd only seen like the school bus yellow. I was like, surely it's not that, like, this is pale. Like, I'm looking at the pictures and it looks cute and pale. Like, the condition was low on the scale, but like on the pictures you couldn't see anything, but the pictures were very like light and glary. So I'm all excited, and it's this school bus yellow. You can't, first of all, it smells really bad. So it doesn't show up on camera. I've already tried up close, but there's so much dirt inside of it that it looks like black, especially on this side. I know it looks like I'm being frank, but, and then the hardware all the corners. Like, this was not in the pictures. The dust bag is really cute. I just messaged them and I was like, I feel like this doesn't, like, I was like, I get that it's non-refundable, but I don't feel like your pictures reflected it. And so she said she's gonna help me, and asked me if I wanted a return. I said yeah, even though it says non-returnable. So I'm messaging someone now. We're gonna find out, but I am really sad that it wasn't what it was supposed to be, because like this whole unboxing was supposed to go with another item. Like, that's kind of why I bought it, because it would like match, but it is what it is. I'm just hoping she can get me something, because otherwise it's just gonna go straight back. So I will re-unbox it with you. Super cute dust bag. I immediately smell it. It just smells old and dirty. I don't know. It's just, I've never smelled the smell before. Now, tell me that this is what is in the pictures. Okay, so first of all, the color is just not what I expect. Hopefully the difference can be shown in the video, but this is the yellow that I knew of, which makes sense. There's like black all in between the creases. It's really not showing. It's just like a little dirty, which I wouldn't be mad about if it was the color I wanted, I don't think. And then but the thing that got me too, besides the smell and the color, is that it is just so worn. Like, if it had been the color and then been this worn, I think I would have been okay, but I think it was just the shock of like, this just wasn't what I expected. And I had got this to style. Okay, it actually didn't look that bad. No, just for $600 or almost $600. No, I just feel a little bamboozled by the pictures. So I immediately got on customer service, even though I was not expecting a lot, because it did say non-refundable, so I was fully expecting to eat it. It was almost too easy. I was just like, I just don't feel like the pictures reflected it. I sent only one screenshot of the listing where it looked pale, and then one real picture, and I noted like it also smells. And yeah, I went back and looked at the pictures. It's like super glary. It's almost like they had the ring light like right freaking on it. Like, I feel like the color should have even shown on the model, like when it's next to her clothes, and it didn't, which is kind of sketchy. But I had Jazz from The Real Real, and she turned my experience around, because I felt a little jaded that the pictures didn't look like the item. But then after my customer service experience, I'm fully restored, like ready to buy something from The Real Real again. They didn't once mention that it was non-refundable, because I had initially said, hey, I know it's non-refundable. They were like, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry, like I'll fix this immediately. That was that. Now I get to fully return it. So I am going to still style it for you guys. I'm going to show you around a micro Fendi peekaboo, because I told you about it in my regrets, but now I can show you, and then we're going to return it. And you know what that means in girl math, is that I basically just saved $550, which means I get to spend it somewhere else, right? Because it's like free. Okay, so just gonna show you around a micro Fendi peekaboo real quick. As you can see, it's about the size of my hand. I told you it was like an accessory. It does come with this long shoulder strap. It's just, it really is cute. Like, it makes me want to find another one, damn it. Yeah, and it also has this top handle. It's super freaking cute. The hardware, so only on one side, I believe. Yeah, so only on the front side does it securely. Oh, okay, no, I'll show you. So on the front, the lock works so that you're able to open the front, and it has a card holder with actually 2 pockets, and it has like a little Fendi plaque there, which is really cute. So you lock that back up, and then on the back side is a little fake out lock. You can't turn it, but what you can do is there's a little snap here. No pockets in this one, so you essentially have like 2 little slots to put something in. As you can probably tell, you cannot fit a phone in here. I mean, you could put it in here and it would be sticking way out, especially if you have a Max. And I would just be afraid that it would hit and topple over and you wouldn't notice. So I wouldn't necessarily put that in there, but you can totally fit a card holder, a lipstick, maybe not like a super long lip gloss. Actually, this isn't even snapping, so okay, so now I'm gonna put the outfit together that was in my head. I think it's gonna look cute on camera, but yeah, I don't know. So this is the top on. Immediately I'm loving how this is very lax, like it feels like you cut it yourself. It's very soft, and I think it just makes it feel and look very luxurious. I love the contour. It's very modern. I think it's good for your bust. The bottom is like that as well, like there's no seam outlining the edges. Thread the earrings in. You just take this rod and you slide it in. Make sure the logo is upright, okay, unless you're making a statement. Do you see my vision? Okay, now I gotta figure out how to tighten this, because your girl's not a big cap wearer, so I have no idea. I thought that there was usually like a tongue that you would pull through, but oh wait, oh, oh, now we know. Now we know. Okay. Ooh. Oh, that's what it needed. Yes. Okay, I'm not gonna take the tag off of this, obviously, because I'm gonna return it, but let's see how it goes. Okay, so this is always so hard to show a full fit and widescreen, but my shoes are Adidas. My bottoms are Joe Brown. The top is Joe Brown. Saint Laurent, and Fendi. But do you see the vision? Like, yeah, it's giving LA, Miami. I'm running errands. Yeah, I think it's very cute. Like I said, the Fendi micro peekaboo is like just an accessory. But yeah, I think it says don't bother me. I am getting a donk. You know what I mean? And here's the up close. I love this cap. I'm really ready for my long hair to come back in, but I will say this little bun and the cap is really cute.